You know, today is a very special day sa aking church day kasi baptism ko sa MCGI for the first time. Was a blessing and of course the greatest blessing to serve our Lord. Being Christianity, legit Christian na tayo for this moment and to build ang ating tiwala. So join me and I will give you special activity ng aking baptism dito sa MCGI. Dating na. Eto na lang. Next session. Ang mga action din pag-baptism na. So, ayun po. Medyo malamig lang dahil sa ulo. Thanks, Vito.